Good afternoon, all are welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic Edra, Department of Information Technology in a online practical class. On today's, we start the second practical number 2 on subject that course data structure using C. You all are already got the information about our course, means in a theory part and in also practical parts. How many marks for theory, how many marks for or practical. Okay, for a theory 100 marks, for a practical 50 marks, total 150 marks. In under the 50 marks divided in two section, 25 marks for external, 25 marks terminal. And in a 100 marks theory exam, also 70 marks for theory board exam and 30 marks for your class test and your project marks. Okay, this all are information already got the in a clearly. Okay, so next, before start on our today's practical, in a previous practical session I given some homework of you. I hope all are completed it, and also I also said that the download this lab manual. Okay, I hope all are that downloaded it. Any remaining students are there that are all are as early as possible that download it and attend the practical session. Okay, now this is the practical course outcome matrix. This matrix also I am explained in a previous practical also. Okay, in a previous practical we complete the which practical number 1, program to perform operations on array. In that which programs are done, in that how to create the array and how to display the array. After that, in a array how to elements are inserted or any elements how to deleted it. That programs are done in a under practical number 1, program to perform operations on array. And this program or this practical is achieved after which under the CO number 1, that is perform basic operations on array. Now today's second practical, which practical? That practical title is search a data using linear search. After the completion of practical number 2, which CO you are able to, which CO? That CO is apply different searching and sorting techniques. This is your content page. In that second practical, that search a data using linear search. Okay, this is your lab manual. This is a soft copy of your lab manual. This is the PDF file. All are download it. Anyone remaining that are downloaded as early as possible. Otherwise you not any study that practical session. Okay, these are the basic. After that, in that some instructions for students. Which instructions? First, for incidental writing on the day of each practical session, every student should maintain a dated logbook for the whole semester. Apart from this laboratory manual, which he has to submit for assessment to the teacher in the next practical session. Second one is that for effective implementation and attainment of practical outcomes in the beginning itself of each practical, students need to read through the complete write-up including the practical related questions and assessment scheme of that practical sheet. Third one is that student ought to refer the reference books, lab manuals, etc. Student should not hesitate to ask any difficulties they face during the conduct of practicals. These are the instructions for you. After that, this is the content page. In that, list of your practicals. In that, total 12 practicals are there under the subject DSU. In that, already practical number 1 is completed. On today's practical, we see the second practical, search a data using linear search. Is that under the second chapter, searching and sorting. In that, first linear search are in a theory part, in a lectures are their concept and how to search that, how to search the elements on that array. That are all theory parts are completed. This is the practical number 1 is also completed it. In that practical number 1, I am given homework for you. I hope all are that completed it. Otherwise, you reduce your term marks because that 25 marks are depends upon this your homework. Means you regularly time to time giving the attendance, also completed your manual. That depends upon your marks. Out of 25 marks are distributed. Okay. Now start the second practical. Here practical number 2, search a data using linear search. In that practical significance, which are the practical significance? In order to perform some operations on specific data element, the data has to be searched. In data collection and the system requires following a searching method. One of the most commonly used method in linear search for searching data from the given list. Okay. Relevant program outcomes. What is the program outcomes? In that, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practicals, engineering tools, communication. Means which PO are achieved which PO are able to under the practical number 2. After the completion of practical number 2, which PO we are achieved, that practice, that POs are there. After that, competency and practical skills. Means this practical is expect to develop the following skills in you. Means what? Develop C programs to solve broad based computer group related problems. In that, write algorithm and draw flowchart for linear search. Write or compile or debug and save C program for functions to search using linear search. Means in that says that which practical skills skills are expect for you, which skills you write your algorithm and flowchart for your linear search. Okay, and you should be write a program and also compile it, save it and run it. Okay, and also you can write the algorithm and flowchart. These skills are you can done it under the after the practical number after practical number 2. After that, relevant course outcomes means CO. Okay, means CO means after the completion of course what you will be able. Okay, means after the completion of course means after the completion of subject, apply different searching and sorting techniques. Means after that completion of practical number 2, you apply different searching and sorting techniques are understand or perform it. PROs means practical outcomes. What is the practical outcomes? Implement a C program to search a particular data from the given array using linear search. Means that using through program in any given arrays in particular data will be searched using through linear search techniques. After that, relevant effective domains related outcomes. Which are the effective domains? Follows safety measures. After that, follow ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background. What is the theoretical background for this practical. This is the practical and depends on the linear search. Means under the searching techniques there are two. In a searching there are two techniques are there, which are the first linear search and binary search. In under we've seen the first linear search. What is the background is meant by searching? Searching is just finding out the data item among given list. In a word is indicated that. What is meant by searching means finding. Okay. Two cases are possible, that either item is found or item not present in the list. Means any finding the data means there are two possibles are there. One is the which are we finding that are found or not. Linear search. Linear search is a very simple search algorithm. In this sequential search is done by searching items one by one. Each item is checked, and if a match is found, then that particular item is returned. Otherwise, search is continued till the end of the list of items. If item which is to be searched is not present in the list, then search is called as unsuccessfully searched. For example, this is your array, that 0, 16, 2, 26, 28, 4 and 19. In that start from this number, end from this number 29. In that item need to be searched. For example, we search the 28 number, then first of all 28 number compare with first number a of zeros. It is that equal, then n elements are found. Otherwise, check the next element. Compare with 16, after that compare with 2, after that compare with 16, after that 26, after that compare with 28. In that number or elements are equal, then result is number is found at the position. Which position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. With 4 index or 4 position, that number is found. For example, we search the element 30. Okay, compare with 5. 30 number is compared with 5, 16, 2, 6, 26, 28, 4 and 29. In that your array means your data is complete. Okay, and the 30 number is not any number to equal. Okay, means what that 30 number is not present in that list. Okay. After that we write your algorithm. After that you write your flow chart. After that program code and output. Okay, this program is already through practical through under the complete the lecture number 11 in under the second chapter, second unit, searching and sorting. But in also practical session that's are repeated. I'm again to show how to program are run on a Turbo C editor. In a previous practical session I am already said that which editor using for your subject course, which editor, Turbo C or Turbo C++. We use the Turbo C++ editor. Using this editor you can done the program. And also in a previous practical session I said that how to open that Turbo C software, how to run it, how to any new files are open, how to save, and when you any files are saved in a Turbo C, then how it will be get it, that all are set or all are completed in under the previous practical lecture. Okay, the algorithm. Okay, what is in by algorithm? You all are already known. Okay, but some are the students are transferred to the branch, or some are the direct second year. That students are not known. Okay, so I am repeated it. Algorithm is that stepwise procedure of any problem, that is known as the algorithm. Okay, means any problems of front of you, that time you can that problem how to will be that problem is solved in a stepwise step. We write it, and that steps are you do, that is known as the algorithm. Means simple one is that one that I'm giving some real life example, but this is example not in right in your exam. Okay, for example, your problem is one that you came in a college at 9 o'clock. Okay, then your steps or your for example, you write a agenda, or sorry, you write the steps, means how you will be, you reach the at 9 o'clock in your college. First of all, you write the first, we say for example 5 means 5 o'clock you get up. After that 5 to 6 you are fresh. After that 6 o'clock you studied. 6 to 7 o'clock studied. After that, for example, you 7 to 8 you are ready for college and also for breakfast eat. After that 8 o'clock you exit in your home. And after that 8 to 9 means you first of all pick up the bus. After that you stop, you came in 9 o'clock in a college. This is your steps. Okay, using through that, when you that steps are follows, that time your problem is solved, means you reach the college at 9 o'clock. That same things are used in your program, means your one type of program. It is one type of your program means one type of that problem. And that problem how will be solved? That problem how will be solved? That in a one by one statement. That statement is known as algorithm. Clear that? Okay. So in that algorithm, what is the algorithm? Means which are the statements? Your problem is that you search the element using linear search. Okay. So that start the algorithm. First step is the start is compulsory. In that some steps are there. Okay. First step start. Second step input the data. Third step, which are the third step? Calculation purpose. Fourth step display the output. And fifth step stop. These are the 5 steps. That 5 steps are followed for any problem. Okay. So or any program for solving the algorithm. In that start, second step is that input the data. In that input the array elements and search element. Okay. You need to search element and you need to one array. After that, which third step? Calculation purpose. Okay, calculation purpose means what? In that you calculate that search element for every element on that array. So search element will be compared with each array elements. After fourth step, this process continue till the number of array elements are present. Okay, this process how many where up to that process is continue up to on that array elements are present. How many array elements are present till this process is continue? Which process? That searching with, that compared with each and every element on that array. If search element is equal to any one of the array element, then search is completed. Okay. If that's which are the search element is equal to that any one number of that array element, then your searching is complete. And display message element is found with index. Okay, this is your next fourth step, that is the your display the output. And next step or next algorithm, otherwise display message element is not found, means this using through what will be able, that the fourth step output will be displayed. After fifth step end. Okay, clear that? Means in an algorithm 5 steps are there. First start, after that input, after that processing, after that display, after that stop. Okay, and next flow chart. What is meant by flow chart? This algorithm is diagrammatically shown it, that is known as the flow chart. Clear that? Is algorithm is write it in a sentence that are shown through diagrammatically. Okay, in that these are the symbols of that flow chart. Okay, the basic symbols are there. Okay, only for that are you think it. First is this is symbol for rounded rectangle. This symbol for used only for start and end. Okay, this one symbol are used. Which purpose? For start and end purpose. Rounded rectangle. Clear that? After that, second symbol is the parallelogram. This symbol in which purpose to use? For the input purpose and also output purpose. Okay, this is the second symbol. Third symbol is the diamond. Okay, when we diamond is used, when we any conditions or any comparisons are used or any conditions are used, that time using through diamond symbol through show that. Okay, after that is arrow symbol is used for flow of data. Using through that arrow, what is the show? Flow of your data. Okay, these are the basic symbols. These symbols only for enough for your flowchart. One is that rounded rectangle, after that diamond, after that arrow, after that parallelogram. Clear? Parallelogram from input and output, after that rounded rectangle, end and start, and after that condition purpose diamond. These are algorithm show using through flowchart. Start. Okay, that start input array element and search element. After that, in that array elements means that is a of I. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4, that compare with search element, that true, then display message element is found, this condition is false, then message display means output will be get display message element is not found. After that, end means stop your program, means your problem will be solved. Clear that? This is the flow chart. Okay, in a previous practicals I am not that showing that. Okay, using this concept through you complete your previous practicals, algorithm and flow chart for all programs. In our previous practical number 1, in under the 3 programs are there, that's flowchart and algorithms are completed it. Okay, these are the this concept flowchart and algorithm is complete under the C language for the regular students, but some students are change the trade and also direct second year students, so that's students, so that for students some concepts are clear, that algorithm and flowchart. Okay, after that program. This program how will be run it, that show using through Turbo C. Okay. In our previous theory lectures under the lecture number 11, in under the when we start the second chapter searching and sorting, that under the 11th lectures, that program also I am executed it, all our points are clear, but again in a practical session I am repeated it. This is the program. Compile it. We will be compile it using through menu or also shortcut Alt F9. Run it or Control F9. Okay, in that message is display, enter the size of list. Okay, for example, we given the size 6, then enter any 6 integer values, means for the linear search unsorted data are means sorted and unsorted data, both data are used, means you are also given a sorted data and also you given the unsorted data. 4, after that 9, after that 23, any 6 numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 numbers are remaining, for example given 5, that enter the element to be searched. For example, we enter the number 4. Okay, in that element is found at index 2. 4 number is the for index 2, because this is the array. In that array the starting location is 0, so 0 1 2. Clear that? Okay, that basic statement. These are the include std conio. These are the header files. This explanation is also in a previous lecture. This is the void main. This is the variable declaration. Clear screen means output window is clear. This is the printf functions for output function. Scanf means it is an input function. Okay, the printf function syntax or this used for two purpose. One for only message display and second is for actually output will be display using through printf function. Scanf function, it is for input purpose. The data specifier, okay, data specifier write in a double quotation. Percent is used because in that data is declared for a integer, so in that percent is used. And after that ampersand and variable name, variable size, their variables are taken. For that how many size are there, that are stored in a under the size variable. Enter any %d integer value in that size variables, that number are stored, that number will be displayed using through %d. For loop is used in, also said that for loop, why purpose of for loop is used when loop means multiple statements are executed, that time to use for loop. Scanf, array of I means array of 0 1 2 3 4, how many numbers are we given, that time that repeat that statement. After that, this is the condition. In that enter the element to be searched, which elements are searched, that are inputted and that are scanned in a variable key. After that for loop is used. I is equal to 0 means initialization. In that condition is check I less than size. Okay, for example we given the size 6, then I means 0, 0 less than 6, condition is true, so inner part is executed. I plus plus means their increment. I is for index purpose. Okay, in the array index will be incremented by 1. In that check if key means which elements will be searched, that are equal to a of 0, a of 1 2 3, that's like this. Compare any position that index number is found, then in that break, otherwise that loop is executed. Okay, when we found that, break that statement and go in a end of your program, otherwise this statement is repeated. And when this condition is false, that time also this loop is exit. And in that if condition are checked, for example that I plus pointer r is equal to size, then obviously this element is not found, that this, so in that message will be display given element is not found in the list. And after that end of this program. Okay, once again show that number is not found. After that compile it. For example given a 3 number, I am given 3 numbers. For example I am given some 30 is not present in that list, the message is display given element is not found in the list. Clear that? This is the program for the linear search. Okay, these programs are also inserted in that PPT. Okay, that check it. Okay, and also outputs are there. After that resource used. Okay, in your lab manual, in that they are complete. In that lab manual the tables are there that complete it. After that result conclusions are completed it. Practical related questions are there, 2 questions are there. In exercise 2 questions are there that are completed it. And under the practical related questions, some questions are extra questions are there that also completed it. That practical number 2 is complete. Resource used. Okay, these tables are there in a previous practical. I am said that or that how to informations are fill it. After that results. These all are points are you have to complete it in a notebook and when you came in a college, that time that pages are cut it and in your manual paste it. Okay, so regularly homeworks are completed, otherwise you reduce your term works marks. Results output of this practical attached after the program. Okay. Conclusion: by this practical I can done program of search or data using linear search. After the practical related questions, first question is that what is the first question? Linear search is most suitable for which kind of data list? Which kind of data list? In a unsorted data. Linear search is most suitable for unsorted kind of data list. The second question is for your homework purpose. Third question: what is the output if list of items having same data items which is to be searched? After that, third, fourth, fifth, these are the three extra questions. Definition of linear search. After that, what is the time complexity of linear search? List advantages and disadvantages of linear search. These are the extra questions for you. After that, exercise. In that exercise, one question. First question: consider the following list of perform linear search in the given the elements. On that, two questions are there. I am demonstrate the first question. You homework for the second, this in under the 1 to there's second question, and also main second two questions also homework for you. I am showing that first question. In that, for example, this is your numbers in your questions are there: 56, 36, 89, 56, 10, 67 and 59. In that question is that search the element 1 from the above list and write the item is found or not with the procedure. Okay, procedure wise means step wise that shown it. In that their numbers are there. For example, search the element 1. Step 1, which are the first step? What is the search element 1 is compared with the first element 56. Okay, 56 and 1 is compared. In that also conditions are there in that set in algorithm. Search the element will be compared with every element, and also in a program the condition is that if condition is checked that okay, both are not matching, so move to the next element. When that one is moved to the next pointer, that pointer purpose I variables are used in your program. After that, one is second step, search element 1 is compared with the next element 36. Both are not matching, so move to the next element. Step 3, search the element 1 is compared with the next element 89. Both are not matching, so move to the next element. Step 4, search the element 1 is compared with the next element 56. Both are not matching, so move to the next element. Step 5, search the element 1 is compared with the next element 1. In that both are matching, so we stop the comparison and display element found at index 4. What 4? Because this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The array start with 0 location, so fourth index that one element is found. Clear that this procedure through means this diagrammatically through that shown it. Same question for second, homework for you, and also second question homework for you. Clear that? I am demonstrate one question for in main questions. After summary, by this practical summary of that on today's practical session, practical online lectures. By these practicals I can done program of search or data using linear search. Okay, next homework. What is the homework for on practical number 2? Prepare your practical number 2 in a notebook, which are in a departmental level to HOD ma'am to say that you bring 200 pages, okay, for each subject, and that on that pages you write your question answers, and that are paste in your, when you reach the college that time, paste in your manual and you submitted it assessment purpose. Okay, that regularly homework is complete it. Otherwise, when you reach that college, that time difficulty for your submission of each subject. Okay, so to complete algorithm, flowchart, program and output of program is which program? Linear search program. To complete resource user table, results and conclusion. After that, to complete practical related questions, extra questions and exercise questions also, and also complete your dated logbook also. But in a dated logbook, actually what will be write it, that I am saying in a, that will be I am saying in a next practical session. Okay, that in that stop on today's practical lectures. On which practical number 2, of course, data structure using C. Which practical title is that? Program of search a data using linear search. Okay, thank you. And in a practical session lecture, any questions is arise or any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Okay, these programs are already complete under the lecture and also I am repeated in under the practical session also. Okay, so all are try it for programs and also study. Okay, thank you.